Alright, today's project is going to be real fun. We're going to pull the carpet. At least we're going to try. My name's Derek, and I like cars.
The front fell off.
Hayden got a new toy. Puzzle time.
Derek's making me vlog. I don't know why.
Because you're a good personality and I like it.
I'm a personality?
Yeah.
I certainly am one of those. Anyway, I just built that little cart thing so we can move my welder around without carrying 700 different cables. Yeah, that's about it. Derek,
Yeah.
how gross is your interior?
It's gross! Step one in this endeavor is going to be to pull this back seat, which should be a 14, hopefully. Might be a 12. Yeah, it was a 12. Then we get the other side. There we go. And then we pull a latch that's buried somewhere in here. And the seat's out. Climbing and I! Hayden volunteered. Good job. We don't have to pull the back seat. We don't have to pull the back seat, Hayden.
We're stripping the interior.
Why? Hayden, it's already in!
Gutted interior.
No! Please no. Let me in. Let me in!
Open the door!
Please put the seat back, Hayden.
Okay.
Next up, the fun part is pulling this B-pillar piece, which I've only just recently realized that I don't have to take the seatbelt off for. By the way, that whole side is now pretty much done as far as gray. I can't really swap the seatbelt over, only because the one that's in the parts car is locked from the accident. At some point I'll have to send that out to get it recolored to match, but I did get the black rear seatbelt installed. And when you don't have the right tools, you make the tools you have work. Or in my case, you just mar the shit out of the plastic. But that's fine. And of course, on the very next pull, it came out. But now, we'll start clearing out the passenger area so we can pull the seat and then get this guy out. Gotta remove the... this was the hood, I think. Yep, that was the hood. It's now on the roof. Dash can go there, probably. The rest of the dash can also go there. Oh, I've been looking for this. Hell yeah, the H6 can finally have its wiper heaters back. Okay, now the very last step will be taking out this console and these side panel pieces, which I've actually never taken those off before, so we'll see what that all entails. But this should be like 3 to 4 screws, and it's good. What have we done?
Yes.
Yes, as you saw, this was already kind of cracked and coming up, so we took it the rest of the way.
Yeah.
So what's next, Hayden?
We take it all up.
Well, all of it?
Yeah. We're getting rid of all of it. We're gonna teach Derek how to weld.
Video coming eventually.
And then Derek's gonna stitch weld the seams.
The seam.
Yeah.
Those at the very least. We'll see if I feel froggy about doing the rest of it.
Yeah, but we'll stitch weld some of the chassis, lay new Dynamat around the trans tunnel so that we do get a little bit of sound deadening for Derek's enjoyment, and then we'll put the new carpet back in. Well, we gotta pull the carpet still.
If it cleans up well enough, I kind of want to dye it black.
Is it gray?
It's gray.
Okay, so yeah, do that. Then we can lay this in, put this interior back together, kind of get it squared away. Real nice, clean detail, super intense. It'll be the cleanest this car's ever been.
Since brand new.
Since brand new.
Give us a status report on how it's going.
She's fucking fucked me big time.
Do you want to take us through what you've been doing today?
Sweating my ass off mostly.
Yeah.
It's it's been a good time.
Yeah.
We're just, sound deadening delete with no dry ice is not always the best.
It's fun.
Yeah.
What's that boy over there?
And everybody got to do a little bit.
Everybody got to do a piece.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How'd you enjoy your experience with it?
I kind of hated it.
Yeah.
Yeah. One of the downfalls of being your guys' cameraman is that I'm significantly shorter.
Well, yeah, we just need to strap that to the top of your head.
Exactly.
And then you're good.
Get up here.
Perfect.
Yeah. I mean, if you want to just, let's get the height difference here. I'm not going to be able to flip this around. There we go. Yeah. What are you looking for, bud?
Socket rail.
The socket rail.
Socket rail.
How important is the socket rail?
Very important. Required to put the BMW back together.
I don't think it's in there. This could work.
Nope.
I've heard that works for a lot of things. Hayden, come give us a BMW rundown. Derek did a Subaru rundown.
It's broken.
Gang.
It said check engine. It said check engine.
I
The
checked,
engine's not there.
I can't find it.
Lost the first 10mm he's lost in 6 years.
Where did you find it?
It was up next to the pile of bolts that got neatly
Oh
organized.
yeah, I moved that earlier.
This is a whiteboard. These are words. And what those mean are a very condensed version of everything that we have to do to this car, or we're gonna lose the shop. So, you can see scoop comeback arc, obviously.
Yes.
We got rust repair. That's our first and foremost objective, which is that quarter panel and also the other quarter panel. Dynamat delete, we can actually cross off the board once we get the trunk done, which will be eventually. Welding the chassis, I'll have to learn how to weld first.
Yes.
So that'll be fun. Dynamat install, may or may not happen, we'll see. Tire weld delete, also gonna happen eventually. That goes hand in hand with Dynamat delete.
Yes.
Charcoal canister relocation goes with this. Then it's put it back together.
Sick.
That's the easy part.
Yeah.
You can see, because it's only 4 steps.
Yes, exactly.
You put the interior back in, then you
Yeah.
put the transmission in, then the engine, and then the front.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's as easy as that.
Yeah. Super easy.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know why no one's done it before.
Why not just put it on, you know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly. great time to introduce the fact that we have our first channel sponsor here at Derek Likes Cars. So big shout out to Landon and Mountain Crest Products for supporting the next series of videos with some microphones, so we don't have terrible audio quality.
There you go.
I'll leave a link in the description to his website. Check out his products. It's a really innovative thing where you have strap to basically convert your bicycle into a backpack if it breaks down on the trail.
That's sick.
It's really cool.
That's really cool.
He's used them personally to rock climb with a bike on his back.
That is
Which
insane.
I doubt anyone's done, but that's rad.
I don't think so. That is very rad.
Shout out Mountain Crest Products and Landon. Trash can?
Yes.
This is, I think, a 2001 Outback, or was.
Was.
Pronouns are now was, were.
Two straws for.
You'll find out later.
Oh gosh.
Oh, one's slightly open.
Yeah, one's slightly open.
That
so
one
that'll
has
be
hepatitis.
Not it. That was you.
Damn it.
Damn, there's already a spider web made from here.
Yes.
It's crazy how many spiders just live out here.
There's a lot of spiders.
Riley watched me kill a big spider.
There was a big one.
And I was like, I'm just gonna leave it. And he goes, you leave it, I'm never stepping foot in this shop again.
That is, yeah, I did say that.
So
Was
I
that
had
a
to
threat
kill-
or a promise?
Yes.
Damn. All right.
By the way, Riley, introduce yourself to my audience.
Oh. Hello. I'm Riley, and I film shit. That's pretty much it.
Yeah, that's about it.
Derek Likes Cars autograph. Oh yeah, dude. What? You want an intro too? Hayden Lastufka autograph.
Wait, what if I want to use this trim?
It's too late now.
Well, now it's famous.
You'll forever have his autograph.
Real.
Ooh, that's a pretty good autograph.
Damn.
Dude, that
Ooh.
is scribbles.
That
That
is-
is. I mean, so is mine.
I
to
cannot
be fair.
comprehend either of them.
Oh, I thought this was an H, bro.
So E46 DEN.
Ah.
I read Ari Bowden.
From here, it looks like Holden.
Read me. I got this.
Holding my ball.
Smaller? No, I'll go up here.
Okay. God, if only you were famous, because that's a fucking autograph.
Bros practice that.
I have practiced
You practice that for when fucking kids would come up to you in grocery stores for your Miata on TikTok.
Yes, I practiced quite a bit. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe.
It still latches.
I love how that works.
Yeah. Oh, the fenders kind
Here,
of.
I got it. Grab
Okay.
the fender.
Tetanus.
The fender's a bit in the way. Oh, the grill.
Yeah.
I don't think that's where that
Well,
goes.
half of it.
Yeah.
Why is this still?
The things that still work.
It's built Ford rough, brother. They still circled the problem.
As you can see here, this
Yeah.
is not supposed to be like this.
No,
Yeah,
I was
that's
thinking.
rough.
And this has contacted the rest of this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not good.
No.
No.
And I think right here might be a little bit bad too.
It's
No, that's
not
okay.
ideal.
That's okay
That's
right there? Okay.
I mean, it could be worse.
I think the fender, you could fix that.
Yeah, with enough metal working, you could.
Yeah.
Yeah, and a new fender.
Hayden can weld it.
Hayden could weld it.
I cannot.
I think you could weld it.
I think you can weld that.
I in fact could weld it.
There, he
But-
said it. He said it. Nope.
but-
Nope. He said it's on
Easy.
video.
It's
Easy.
not going to be the same as it was. There will
Who
be
said
weld on
anything
it.
about that?
And the hood has a bit of a slant to it, so the water will roll right off.
And also the frame
Yeah.
I can weld
is
it.
there when it should be there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be over there?
Yes.
Yeah.
How did it get over here?
Where'd it go?
Don't worry about it. I think this has something to do with the lack of washer fluid.
Yes. Oh.
Were they drinking road beer?
Yerba mate.
That explains
Yerba mate.
everything.
That explains so much.
Put that back.
Please don't. Actually, I do because we don't want to litter.
Yeah. Do we 2J tube frame drift car this?
If I get to be on the clock.
That means you have to pay him hourly.
Pay $100 to off.
Deal.
All right, you heard it here first. This thing's getting drifted into a wall again. All right, well, that's probably gonna wrap it up for this one. Anything you want to say, Hayden?
I'm tired.
Get dry ice. Don't scrape.
Yeah.
True.
I
It
mean,
sucks.
do
I
like
was waterfall, brother.
Do like this much just to get a taste, and then go buy dry ice.
Yeah. I don't have $60 for 10 pounds, so I didn't do that.
Balling on a budget.
I don't know about balling, but definitely on a budget. The budget's zero.
I'll say you look very majestic with the American flag behind you.
God bless.